everything to gold like a jock hun. I'm on different levels on my pretty block hun. Can I get some butter with a big fat lobster? Need a partition and a big fat chopper. Need ice cream with a big fat topper. Do I want